Welcome to 华杰 Language LMF Learn Mandarin Fast Program Video Lessons. 你好 Hello.
Hi, hello everyone. This is Julie from 华杰 Language Program.
I have been teaching Chinese Mandarin for more than 15 years. We have created LMF program. LMF program is a unique concept. It is designed to teach practical Mandarin to total beginners in a shortest amount of time. Thousands of participants benefit from our program, including adults and children. LMF series videos are made in order to help you to learn Chinese in a fast and easier way and memorize faster. You can start to speak Chinese Mandarin after lesson 1. You can communicate in Chinese language for real-life situations, business, traveling, personal interest, etc. After learning our LMF program Chinese Level 1, it is professional and effective. We use proven, successful methods, no complicated terminology. Materials are carefully selected and applied. Topics are very practical. What will you achieve after learned LMF program series videos? You can communicate in Chinese language in daily real-life situations. You will be able to build your own sentences in Chinese language. It is very helpful for students to pass their exams in their college or university. You will be ready for HSK test and certificate. LMF program is about 30% faster than any other program. Thousands of happy participants are benefit from this program, including financiers, lawyers, business people, MBA students, doctors, managers, engineers, diplomats, and Fortune 500 industrial executives, etc. LMF program start from Chinese alphabet, Pinyin. Why do I need to learn Pinyin when I'm learning Chinese? You may ask. Well, the answer is to know how to pronounce Chinese words quickly, even right away. Let's know some facts about Chinese language.
Chinese characters are not directly connected to speech. Learning how to write in Chinese takes time and practice. Mandarin also has a relatively small sound range, with only about 400 different sounds.
Now start to enjoy your learning journey with us.